A suggestion: the older cameras, SLRs, may take batteries which are no longer to be found, 1.35 volts, and if you want to replace with newer alkaline 155 volts, well, it's going to give you the voltage that's too high. However, even those 155 volts batteries, if you have some of them, couple of them, in maybe something like a toy or something, at some point the voltage will drop on the battery. So instead of 155, you may reach 140, 135, and then you can actually use them if you have a voltmeter, like multimeter reader, voltage reader. Just measure, and as long as I would just guess, as long as it's around 140 to 135, even below 135, you can still probably take decent pictures. So it's going to give you a decent, accurate reading on the meter, live meter. However, just bear in mind two facts, important facts. When the voltage on this battery gets too low, they will start leaking. So never leave a battery inside the camera when you don't use the camera. So as soon as you finish taking pictures, just put the battery inside the phone. Anyway, I like to tape them on the camera itself, or maybe small Ziploc bag, tiny one. The second thing is that the voltage meters on older cameras made themselves, the electronics no longer be accurate. Just I would recommend when you take just purchase maybe an older camera, just try to compare the voltage against a good accurate measure. And you can sometimes get application on Android phones that will read light meter application that will read the correct light intensity on a given situation, and you just compare with the reading on your camera just to make sure the meter on your camera is accurate, because on old cameras it can degrade in time. Oh yes, some people recommend zinc hearing aid batteries, 1.4 volts. Those don't last really long. That's another option. However, they have a different size, so you need to kind of put something around the battery to stay secure inside the camera.